Good day, viewers. Welcome to Amicable Oral English Class, Lesson 16. Remember, we're still discussing the places of articulation, which is a feature under the features of consonant sounds. In the previous lesson, we discussed alveolar sounds. Today, we are going to discuss palato-alveolar sounds. First of all, what are palato-alveolar sounds, or why are they called palato-alveolar sounds? And remember, we're still discussing consonant sounds. These are consonant sounds grouped together and called palato-alveolar sounds due to the fact that in the course of pronouncing them, the tip of the tongue is contacting the alveolar ridge, and at the same time, the top of the tongue is also in contact with the hard palate, or rather the roof of the mouth. When these two features happen concurrently, then in the course of pronouncing a particular consonant sounds, then that particular sound is considered to be palato-alveolar sounds. And these sounds are four in number, which are as follows. As you can see on the board, number one among them is the ch sound. The ch sound has this feature, palato-alveolar sound. It is called palato-alveolar sound simply because when you pronounce the sound ch, the tip of the tongue is in contact with the alveolar ridge, and at the same time, the top of the tongue is also in contact with the hard palate or the roof of the mouth concurrently. This is in words like cherish, cherish. And the transcription of the word cherish goes like this. First of all, we have the sound in question, which is the ch sound. Then we have the short e sound, the r sound, the short e sound, and the sh sound. I'll take it again. We have the ch sound, which is the sound in question. We have the short e sound, sound. So we have the transcription ch plus e, we have ch. Then the r sound, the short e sound plus the sh sound, we have the transcription of the word cherish. Number two is the j sound, the j sound, the heavy j sound. When you pronounce the sound j, you also observe the same feature or the same action happens. The tip of the tongue is in contact with the alveolar ridge, and at the same time, the top of the tongue is also in contact with the hard palate in the course of pronouncing j sound. And we have it in words like journey, journey, not journey or journey, as we are often mispronounced the word. The correct pronunciation of the word is journey, journey. And this is simply because in the transcription of the word, we have the sound j, which is the sound in question, the heavy j sound. We have the long sound, the sound. So we have j, then we have the n sound and the short e sound. So we have the transcription of the word journey. Number three is the sh sound. Sh, the sh sound. When you pronounce the sound sh, the same thing happens. The tip of the tongue is in contact with the alveolar ridge, and at the same time, the top of the tongue is in contact with the hard palate or the roof of the mouth. And we have it in words like shirt, shirt. When you pronounce the word shirt, the transcription, as you can see, we have the sound sh, sh, which is the sound in question. We have the long sound, and lastly, we have the t sound. So we have the transcription of the word shirt. Lastly is the j sound, the light j sound. This is the heavy one, j, while this is light j. This is the j sound. And when you pronounce j sound, the same thing happens. The tip of the tongue is in contact with the alveolar ridge, and at the same time, the top of the tongue is in contact with the hard palate or the roof of the mouth. And we have it in word like pleasure, pleasure. As you can see here, or if you observe, I did not say pledge, but rather pleasure. This is why the sound is considered to be a lighter one, the lighter of this j sound. So this is j, as in pleasure. And the transcription of the word goes like this. We have the p sound, p, the bilabial p sound, the l sound, the short e sound, and this is the lighter j sound, and the sure, the sound. So we have the transcription of the word pleasure. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to click the like button. If you are new here, consider subscribing so that you'll be with me whenever I upload a new content. And don't also forget to share to your learned colleagues, family, and friends. Thank you for being with me. Goodbye.